श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः। So after seeing the Pratyaksha Parichheda, now we are entering Anumana Parichheda. Anumiti-karanam Anumanam. Atha Anumana Parichheda Anumiti-karanam Anumanam. What is Anumana? Anumana. Anumiti Karana is Anumana. Anumanam Laksheti Anumiti iti Anumito Vyapti Jnanam Karanam. Paramarsho Vyaparaha. Anumitihi Phalam Karyamityartha. For Anumiti, Vyapti Jnana is Karana. For Anumiti, Vyapti Jnana is Karana. Then Vyapara is Paramarsha. Then Phala, which is Anumiti. Vyapti Jnana produces Paramarsha, through which you gain Anumiti. Vyapara means Tajjanyatve sati Tajjanya Janakatvam. Vyapti Jnana Janyatve sati Vyapti Jnana Janya Paramarsha Janakam Anumiti. Vyapti Jnana Janyatve sati Vyapti Jnana Janya Paramarsha Janakam Anumiti. Therefore, Paramarsha is Vyapara and Vyapti Jnana is Vyaparavan. Vyapti Jnana is Vyaparavan, that which has Vyapara. Paramarsha is Vyapara, Vyapti Jnana is Vyaparavat or Vyaparavan. Through that Vyapara you gain Anumiti. That is what he says. Paramarsho Vyapara Anumiti Phalam Karyamityartha. Paramarshasya Vyapti Jnana Janyatve sati Vyapti Jnana Janya Anumiti Janakatvat. Tajjanyatve sati Tajjanya Janaka Rupa Vyaparam Upapannam. Paramarsha is Vyapti Jnana Janya. Being Vyapti Jnana Janya, that Paramarsha is Vyapti Jnana Janya Anumitehe Janakatvat. Anumiti Janakatvat. So, Vyapti Jnana Janya Anumiti, for that this Paramarsha is Janaka. Therefore, it becomes Vyapara. Paramarsha is Vyapara. Anumiti Karanatvam Anumanasya Lakshanam. For Anumana, the definition is Anumiti Karanatvam Anumanam. Instrument of Anumiti. Anumiti Karanam Anumanam. Karanam, he said, Asadharana Karanam Karanam. Karanam, the definition for Karanam is Asadharana Karanam. That we explained as Karita Nirupita Karanata Shalitvam. Before that we added Asadharana. Asadharana is Karitva Atirikta Karita Nirupita Karanata Shalitvam is a Karanam. For Karana, that is the definition we saw. Karitva Atirikta Karyata Nirupita Karanata Shalitvam. There with different Samavai Karana, Asamai Karana, etc. we saw. In Samai Karana we said Samaya Sambandha Vachina Karyata Nirupita Tadatmya Sambandha Vachina Karanata. Like that we saw. Okay. So, Etasya Paramarsha Rupa Vyapara Dvara Anumitim Prati Asadharana Karanataya Anumiti Karanatam Upannam. Etasya Paramarsha Rupa Vyapara Dvara. Etasya Vyapti Jnanasya Paramarsha Rupa Vyapara Dvara Anumitim Prati Asadharana Karanatvat. This Vyapti Jnana, through Paramarsha transaction called Paramarsha to Vyapara called Paramarsha, generates this Anumiti, Anumana Jnana. Therefore, this is accepted to be asadharana karana. This anumiti is accepted to be asadharana karana for anumana. Now, what is anumiti? For this anumiti, now he is defining paramarsha-janyam jnanam. Paramarsha-janyam jnanam anumiti. Anumiti is a paramarsha-janyam jnanam. Now, asadharana karana is paramarsha. Therefore, asadharana karanam eva karanam tadeva karanam. So, therefore, anumiti is a paramarsha janyam jnanam. Paramarsha janyatve sati jnanatvam is anumiti. Paramarsha janyatve sati jnanatvam. One way of saying. Paramarsha janyam jnanam, first way. Paramarsha janyatve sati jnanatvam, second way. Paramarsha janya prakarakatve sati jnana visheshyakam. Paramarsha janya prakarakatve sati jnana visheshyakam. Third way of saying. Paramarsha janya vishishta jnanatvam. Fourth way of saying. You can say it in any which way. They are all same. So that is why he says Paramarsha janya vishishta jnanatvam anumiter lakshanam. He is choosing Paramarsha janya vishishta jnanatvam. Paramarsha janya, that jnana which is vishishta, visheshna yukta with Paramarsha janya. Vishishta means visheshna yukta. Paramarsha janya as its visheshana as an adjective. Whatever knowledge is, jnana is, that is anumiti. Atra jnanatva matra upadane pratyakshadavati vyapti. If you just say this is visheshya, this is visheshana, adjective, adjectified. This is adjective and this is adjectified. This is attribute, this is attributed. We will say adjective. This is adjective, this is adjectified. Now, if I just say the adjectified instead of without the adjective, jnanatvam, that is what it says. Atra jnanatva matra upadane. Jnanatvam anumitihi. Definition will be jnanatvam anumitihi. Jnanatva is exists in pratyaksha. Jnanatva exists in upamiti. Jnanatva exists in shabda. The definition will go there also. Or perverence. Ativyapti dosha. In upamiti, shabda, pratyaksha. Therefore, we have to say paramarsha janyam. Paramarsha janya does not exist any other place other than anumana. Because for other upamana etc. sadrishya jnana is the karana, not paramarsha janyatva. So he says ataha tad varnaya paramarsha janyatve sati iti visheshana upadanam. So you have to say paramarsha janyam. Paramarsha janyatve sati jnanatvam. Okay, then why don't you stick to this paramarsha janyam? Give up the visheshya. Stick to the visheshana bhaga only, visheshana portion only, which is a paramarsha janyam. What will happen? He says paramarsha janyatva matra uktau paramarsha dvamsi ativyapti tadvarnaya. Now if I say only paramarsha janya, in paramarsha dvamsa there is ativyapti. Understand this. For ghata bhava, ghata is pratiyogi. Ghata is the patra, vessel. If you want to say ghata bhava, what is the vessel for ghata bhava? Ghata, it cannot be pata, it cannot be cloth. If you want to see the absence of that object, that specific object is the vessel. Okay? Yasya bhava sapratiyogi. Ghata bhava ghata pratiyogi. Pata bhava pata pratiyogi kaha. Okay? Dvamsa bhava paramarsha janya bhava. For that, what is pratiyogi? Paramarsha janya bhava. Paramarsha janya is pratiyogi. Paramarsha itself is pratiyogi. Paramarsha abhava, for Paramarsha abhava, Paramarsha is Pratyogi. So, Paramarsha, through Paramarsha, what are produced, what are created? One, through Paramarsha Janya, you have Anumana, Anumiti. Through Paramarsha, also is generated Paramarsha abhava. Do you get it? See, for Ghata abhava, Pratyogi is Yasya abhava, therefore Ghata. So instead of Ghata, it is Paramarsha abhava. For it, Pratyogi is Paramarsha. Okay. So, Paramarsha Janya is Jnana. Paramarsha Janya is Anumiti. At the same time, Paramarsha Janya is also Paramarsha Abhava. Dvamsa is a form of Abhava. Dvamsa is a form of Abhava. Pragabhava, Pradvamsa Bhava, Anyonya Bhava, Atyanta Bhava. We saw these four types of Abhava. Out of this, prayer absence is Pragabhava, post absence is Pradvamsa Bhava. Post absence for whatever post absence, Ghata, Dvamsa Bhava, Ghata is the Pratyogi. For Paramarsha Abhava, Paramarsha is Pratyogi. That is why he says, Paramarsha Janyatva Matra Ukto, Paramarsha Dvamsyati Vyapti. Therefore, we have to say Jnanatvam. Paramarsha Janya Jnanatvam. Paramarsha Janya Jnana is not Paramarsha Dvamsa. Therefore, Paramarsha Dvamsa Jnanatvam. Paramarsha Janya Jnanatvam is the proper definition. Okay? Now, after that he goes on to say Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam Paramarsha. What is Paramarsha? See, we saw, I'll remove this. So, we have Anumana. Anumana, for Anumana definition is Anumiti Karana. For Anumiti definition is Paramarsha Janya Jnana. Okay? For what is Paramarsha? For Paramarsha he says Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnanam. Vyapti Vishishta over
88.
There's no tika there. Paramarsha Vishishta Paksha Dharmata. Paramarsha Vishishta Paksha Dharmata is Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata is Paramarsha. Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata is Paramarsha. Okay. What is Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata? For that he says Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvatah. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan. Here there are two portions. Vanni Vyapya is one, Dhuma. Let us say Vanni Dhuma. In this, Vanni is Vyapaka. Dhuma is Vyapya. You can say Vanni Vyapya Dhumaha or Dhuma Vyapaka Vannihi. Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan, Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan, or you can say Dhuma Vyapaka Vanni. Okay? What is Vyapaka and what is Vyapya? Vyapaka means Adhika Desha Vrittitvam. Vyapya means Nyuna Desha Vrittitvam. That which has existence in large number of places is Vyapaka. That which has existence in lesser number of places, Vyapya. Fire exists in lesser number of places or smoke? Normally we think it is fire. Fire exists in lesser number of places. No. It is smoke which exists in. Though smoke spreads, it does not have existence in every place where there is fire. In case of gas stove, we don't have smoke, but we have fire. In the case of a iron ball, hot iron ball, we don't have smoke, but we have fire. So there may not be smoke, but there will be fire. Yatra yatra vannihi tatra tatra avashyam dhumah. There is no scope like that. But yatra yatra dhumah, wherever there is smoke, there definitely exists fire. Yatra yatra dhumah tatra tatra vanni avashyam. Yatra yatra vanni tatra tatra dhumah avashyam nasti. There is no compulsion that wherever there is fire, there should be smoke. No, but wherever there is smoke, there should definitely be fire. So vanni is vyapaka, existing in more place. Dhuma is vyapya, existing in lesser place. Vritti means existence. So vanni vyapya dhuma. Vanni vyapya dhuma means vanni pervaded by smoke. Okay? Now, this vanni vyapya dhuma, dhumavan ayam parvatah. Second portion is ayam parvatah. Remove this. व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता वन्नी व्याप्य धूमवान. पक्ष धर्मता is ayam parvatah. Paksha is a paksha. What is paksha? Sandigdha sadhyavan paksha. Sandigdha sadhyavan, where there is doubt about sadhya, that is paksha. Okay, so vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam parvatah. Vyapti yatra yatra dhumah tatra tatra vanni itri sachari niyamah, or vyapti can be sadhya bhavavad avrutti. Sadhyabhavad avrtitvam is vyapti. This is the definition which we will see later. Sadhyabhavad avrtitvam. Sadhyabhavad avrtitvam. Sadhya, how do you understand? This is the definition for vyapti. How do you understand? Sadhya is a vanni. What do you want to prove? Fire. Sadhya bhava is a vannya bhava. Sadhya bhavat, the place where there is a fire absence, definitely. Where? Sea, ocean. Sadhya bhavat Mahahruda. Mahahruda Samudra. Okay. Sadhya bhavat avrutti. Sadhya bhavat vritti is Mahahruda sadhya bhavat sadhya bhavat Mahahruda ocean. Sadhya bhavat vritti fish, mean, meena shaivaladi, fish, etc. Okay, avrutti dhuma. Sadhya bhavat avrutti is this. Sadhya bhavat avrutti exists in dhuma. Therefore, this is vyapti. Yatra yatra dhumah tatra tatra vanni iti sachari niyamah. This is sachari niyama. Yatra yatra dhumah tatra tatra vannihi. Yatra dhumah tatra vanni. or yatra vyapya tatra vyapaka. Yatra yatra vyapyah tatra tatra vyapakah is a sacharya niyamah. Okay, that kind of vyapya vanni vyapya dhomavan sadhyabhavat vyapti vishishta pakshadharma means sadhyabhavat avrutti, which is vyapti. That kind of vyapti here he shows us a vanni vyapya dhumah. That vanni vyapya dhumavan ayam parvatah. Paksha is a mountain. Paksha is mountain. In that paksha, dharma is a smoke. That kind of dharma, wherever it exists, that is what is a paramarsha. That is what is a paramarsha. Paramarsha janyam. That is why he says व्याप्ति विशिष्टं च तत् पक्ष धर्मता ज्ञानं चेति कर्मधारय अनुमिति लक्षणं घटके भूत परामर्श लक्षणम् आचष्टे मन्नि व्याप्य धूमवान् अयं पर्वत इति व्याप्ति विशिष्ट पक्ष धर्मता ज्ञानं परामर्श मन्नि व्याप्य धूमवान् अयं पर्वतः. ओके, वी हैव सीन ऑल दिस, विल सी. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति.